Okay,
Hi, Rishi.
once again, I'd like to invite you to sing this really beautiful song, Ek Pyar Ka Nagma, requested by a lot of people, and here I am, hoping to see as many collabs on Seal. So, hope you all enjoy this beautiful composition.
Thank you so much, and thanks for making this video. And this is one of my favorite songs, so I try my best.
Do the la 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 together, right? Okay. And we'll take a different scale and try to make it sound a little different, hopefully. So we're doing the la 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 together. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. कुछ पाकर खाना कुछ खोकर पाना है जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरे मेरे कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है. So that went well, and now the next verse we can start. I'll follow you. I wish we had some backup dancing.
Thank you. Just do it till here, and thank you listeners for all the wonderful likes and shares you've done so far, and thank you So much.